I'm on. He's a slow running fella, this one. Was right in our mark again. Yep. Oh no, what was that? My lure had a little bit of it. Yep, you're on. Yeah, John. Right. That's a better one. Yeah, that's heaps better. Put his head towards me a bit just to catch the light. Yeah, that's it. Here's one. Just going a little bit further, seeing if you can get the double, John. If you crank now, you might be coming through them anyway. Have a nice mackie there. Destined for release. Like a bullet. Fire him up a little bit to land him. John's on.
Oh, he's coming in.
Yeah, bending straight up in the corner. Steering straight back. Like a rocket. Yep, I'm on. I'll keep it going for you a bit. And one. Cracking fish. Check him out. Another nice Maggie. Spear him back. John, you're on. Oh, is there a shark up here? He'll turn around and bite me. Woo. That's not fair, I need to stream on in. What's that? Oh, yeah. Yep, I'm on. It's a double. I'll just put a mark in on that. It is hot. I'm feeling it now. I was hot before I started fighting him. I'll get out of your way. Another nice mackie coming in here. This has just been insane. Oh, I've just been sharked. Big sucker's just swimming for the horizon. Oh, nice mackerel. Check it out. I think it's just about, head's still moving. I think it's just about time to go, if that's the case.